Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom Channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what are the best online business ideas for 2022. If you are new to this channel, please do like and subscribe to the channel. These days, it seems like anyone can be an entrepreneur. With a click of a button, you can create a website, start an online store, or launch a social media campaign. In many ways, the internet has leveled the playing field in business. You no longer need expensive office space or a team of employees to get started. But while the barriers to entry may be lower than ever before, that doesn't mean that creating a successful business is easy. You still need to have a great product or service, and you need to market it effectively. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The good news is that there are plenty of resources available online to help you get started. So, if you've ever dreamed of being your boss, there's no time like the present to make it happen. Here are some of the best online business ideas for the year 2022. First is dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a type of e-commerce where online retailers sell products without carrying inventory. When the store owners receive an order from a customer, they contact the supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customer. In the year 2022, dropshipping business is a good business. Dropshipping businesses have become increasingly popular in recent years. They offer a low-cost way to start an online store. For dropshippers, the most significant advantage is that they can operate their business with little to no upfront investment. In addition, dropshippers are not responsible for warehousing or shipping products, which further reduces operating costs. As a result of these advantages, dropshipping businesses are expected to grow in popularity in the coming years. For entrepreneurs looking to start their own business in 2022, dropshipping is a solid option to consider. Second, virtual online training. These days, more and more businesses are turning to virtual online training to save money and improve employee productivity. Virtual online training is a great way to provide employees with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in their roles. It is cost effective, but it also allows employees to learn at their own pace and in their own time. Additionally, virtual online training can be customized to meet the specific needs of your business. You can choose the topics you want to cover, the delivery format, and even the level of interaction you want between employees and trainers. With so many benefits, it's no wonder that virtual online training is becoming increasingly popular among businesses of all sizes. Third, DIY craft seller. Anyone with a knack for arts and crafts can tell you that there's a market for DIY goods. There's no shortage of people looking for unique, one-of-a-kind items, from rustic home decor to handmade jewelry. And with the rise of online shopping, it's easier than ever to sell DIY craft items to a global audience. If you're thinking of starting an online business, selling DIY crafts is a great option. Not only can you be your boss, but you can also tap into a growing market. With a little effort and some creative marketing, you can build a successful business selling DIY crafts. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your glue gun and get started. Fourth, starting your clothing line. Starting your clothing line is a great idea. The fashion industry is constantly changing and evolving, so there's always room for new designers and new styles. And with the power of the internet, it's easier than ever to get your clothing line up and running. There are a few things you'll need to do to get started. First, you'll need to develop a unique and marketable style. What are you going to be known for? What kinds of clothes are you going to sell? Once you have your style figured out, you'll need to find a manufacturer who can help you produce your clothing. You'll also need to set up an online store so that customers can purchase your clothes from anywhere in the world. Starting your clothing line is a great way to express your creativity and make extra money. With a little hard work and some dedication, you can turn your clothing line into a successful business. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today! Fifth, start a blog. The year 2022 was a challenging year for many people. The pandemic left millions of work, and many businesses were forced to close their doors. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are still plenty of opportunities for entrepreneurs who are willing to think outside the box. One online business's idea that is sure to be popular in 2022 is starting a blog. Whether you want to write about fashion, food, or travel, everyone has a niche. Blogging is a great way to share your passion with the world, and there are plenty of platforms that make it easy to get started. And best of all, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. So, if you're looking for a new business idea, why not give blogging a try? You might just find that is perfect fit for you. Sixth, virtual assistant. As we enter the age of artificial intelligence, more and more businesses are starting to explore the potential of virtual assistants. A virtual assistant is a computer-generated artificial intelligence that can work on scheduling appointments, sending emails, and providing customer support. While still in its infancy, the technology is rapidly evolving and is expected to revolutionize the way businesses operate. There are many reasons why a virtual assistant makes sense for businesses in the year 2022. First, they are relatively affordable to set up and maintain. Second, they free up employees' time to focus on more critical tasks. Third, they offer 24/7 availability, which is ideal for businesses that operate globally or have customers in different time zones. Finally, virtual assistants can provide a personalized experience for each customer, becoming increasingly important as customers become more demanding. If you're thinking of starting a business in 2022, then a virtual assistant should be on your radar. With the right strategy in place, a virtual assistant can help you take your business to the next level. Seventh, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing in which businesses promote products or services on behalf of other companies. In return for driving sales, affiliates earn commissions for each purchase they generate. For businesses, affiliate marketing is an effective way to reach new customers and grow sales. And for companions, it's a great way to earn income from home. With the rise of e-commerce, more and more consumers are shopping online. This trend is only expected to continue in the years ahead. As a result, affiliate marketing will become even more famous for businesses to reach new customers and grow sales. If you're looking for a unique online business idea, affiliate marketing could be the perfect fit. With the right approach, you can build a successful business that generates passive income for years to come. Lastly, Social media management. With the rise of social management, more and more businesses are starting to see the importance of online presence. And as the years go by, the importance of social media is only going to increase. But managing a social media account can be a lot of work. Starting a social media management business is a great online business idea for 2022. By starting a social media management business, you'll be able to help businesses with their online presence and take some of the work off their hands. Plus, with the growth of social media, there's sure to be a lot of demand for social media managers in the years to come. So, if you're looking for a great online business idea, considering starting a social media management business in 2022. There's no shortage of online business ideas these days. With the advances in technology, more and more office-based jobs can now be done remotely via freelancing or other remote working arrangements. This is excellent news for entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to get started in the online world. Not only are the barriers to entry lower than ever before, but the growth potential is enormous. The global marketplace is growing unprecedented, making it easier than ever for businesses to reach new audiences and customers. The world is your oyster. Whether you're looking to start an online store, a blog, or a service-based business, there are endless opportunities for you to get started and grow your business. So, what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.